Welcome back to Weekly Aviation. Parallel takeoff at San Francisco International Airport. Two Kamov Ka-52 Alligator playing around during a Russian wedding. Embraer 195 landing in crosswind.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Helicopter crashes to terrain in Panama. Alaska bush pilot lands a plane to the terrain. Hard wind causing a helicopter to crash. Boeing 747 carrying space shuttle landing at Los Angeles International Airport. Helicopter blasting sand. F-18 Hornet shooting off flares during a loop at the Swedish Air Force Air Show. Blue Angels fly by over Miami Beach. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.